Okay, Grandma, so we're going to kind of go through this worksheet and talk about each section, okay? So the first one is to develop and carry out a plan for regular exercise, and we started talking about this a little bit. So what's some actions you can take to exercise regularly?
I plan to walk down to get the mail every day, and I also walk up a hill to bring my trash each day. I've Julia's shown me the exercise for my ankles, and I'm doing that for exercising my ankles. I feel that's very good for me. I'm going to be challenged by Julia to walk an extra, walk extra, and if I walk too far, I just have to take concern that I have a place to stop and rest, and then come back on my walk.
Yeah. Good. And then, so we talked about any materials or physical assistance needs, and you didn't have any, you were good in that area?
I could give it some thought in case sprinkles. I would want to have a rain jacket. I would want to be sure-footed, so I'd want to know what the weather was predicting, and I would want to have footwear that would accommodate that, so I would not slip and fall.
Good. That kind of leads into our possible problems that we talked about. So, what are some of the possible problems you could run into while exercising?
Probably overextending the length of my walk. So my body would be able to be strong enough to walk without having to stop. Being there's no facility to sit and relax. And,
Yeah, that makes sense. What's a really big one that we talked about?
Ice, if there's road conditions, that my feet are properly with the proper boots so that I would not slip and fall.
Good. Yeah, so we that went right into the solutions too. So if it's icy, you can make sure you're wearing the right footwear and you're watching the weather. And if you're gonna walk far, you know that there's somewhere for you to stop and sit down or take a break, use the bathroom, that kind of thing.
Excellent.
What's your favorite thing to do daily? Do you like to go for the mail? Do you like to walk wherever what's your favorite exercise you like to do?
To walk. I feel if I take a walk a quarter mile, that's very intriguing for me, and I like to look at the nature, the things that are coming up in nature, and I enjoy that. And the birds, I enjoy the fish in the creek, just beauty of nature in the spring season.
Aw, that's so good, Grandma. It's so good for your health too.
Yes.
Yeah.